Discover beautiful, radiant skin in the palm of your hand. Meet the NIRA Skincare Laser, the first and only painless at-home laser proven to erase wrinkles and brighten skin. Just in 2 minutes a day, see crow's feet, puffiness, and dark circles reduced. At the same time, it lifts the upper eye so you look like you had a full night's sleep. NIRA delivers the same technology as a professional laser treatment. It gently warms the skin at the deepest levels, going deeper than any creams and serums possibly could. After the age of 30, collagen production declines more and more each year, causing the skin to wrinkle and sag. NIRA builds it back. The NIRA technology triggers the skin to naturally rebuild collagen, renewing skin from the inside out. Visit our website to try NIRA for gorgeous, younger skin in 90 days, guaranteed. NIRA.